Throughout history, the loss of a limb often meant a life defined by limitations. Today, medical prosthetics stand as a testament to human ingenuity, offering a path to reclaiming mobility and transforming lives. These remarkable devices, far from mere replacements, empower individuals to participate fully in life, pursuing passions and achieving the extraordinary. Prosthetics represent a fusion of cutting-edge science, engineering, and artistry. They blend seamlessly with the human body, restoring lost function and inspiring hope. From the simplest artificial limbs to sophisticated bionic devices, medical prosthetics embody the relentless pursuit of improving human lives through innovation. This is a story of incredible materials, groundbreaking technologies, and the skilled professionals who create these life-changing devices. It's a testament to the resilience of the human spirit and the boundless possibilities that emerge when science and compassion converge. Join us as we delve into the world of medical prosthetics, exploring the intricate processes, advanced materials, and revolutionary technologies that are empowering individuals to overcome adversity and redefine what's possible. To truly appreciate the sophistication and engineering marvel of a prosthetic limb, it's essential to delve into its fundamental components. Each part is meticulously designed and crafted to replicate the complex functions of the human body, ensuring that the user can perform daily activities with ease and confidence. These components work in perfect harmony, allowing individuals to regain not just mobility, but also a sense of independence and normalcy in their lives. At the heart of a prosthetic limb is the socket, a custom-molded interface that forms a secure and comfortable connection with the residual limb. This connection is crucial for the overall functionality and comfort of the prosthetic. The socket acts as the foundation, distributing weight evenly and ensuring stability. It must be precisely fitted to avoid discomfort and to provide the necessary support for various activities. Extending from the socket is the pylon, which serves as the structural backbone of the prosthetic limb. This component is vital for maintaining the limb's integrity and functionality. Crafted from lightweight yet incredibly durable materials, the pylon provides essential support and determines the limb's length. Its design ensures that the prosthetic is both strong and comfortable to use. Prosthetic joints, such as knees, elbows, or ankles, are engineered to mimic the natural movements of their biological counterparts. These joints are crucial for enabling a wide range of motion and activities. These joints are designed for smooth, fluid motion, allowing users to engage in various activities, from simple daily tasks to more complex physical exercises. Finally, the prosthetic foot or hand serves as the critical point of contact with the world. These terminal devices are essential for interacting with the environment. These terminal devices are designed to replicate the natural appearance and function of a human limb, with some offering advanced dexterity for intricate tasks, such as picking up small objects or typing on a keyboard. Together, these components form a cohesive and integrated system, working in unison to restore mobility and significantly enhance the quality of life for individuals living with limb loss. The advancements in prosthetic technology continue to push the boundaries, offering new possibilities and hope for the future. The remarkable capabilities of modern prosthetics are inextricably linked to the advanced materials used in their construction. These materials are not just chosen at random, they are the result of years of research and development aimed at optimizing both functionality and user experience. These materials are carefully selected for their exceptional strength-to-weight ratios, durability, and biocompatibility, ensuring both performance and comfort for the user. The balance between these factors is crucial, as it directly impacts the daily lives of those who rely on these prosthetics. Carbon fiber, renowned for its use in aerospace and high-performance vehicles, has become a mainstay in prosthetic design. Its application in this field has revolutionized the way prosthetics are made, offering unparalleled strength without the burden of extra weight. Its exceptional strength, coupled with its remarkably lightweight nature, makes it ideal for crafting pylons and other structural components. This allows for greater mobility and less fatigue for the user, enhancing their overall quality of life. Titanium, another material borrowed from the aerospace industry, is prized for its strength, corrosion resistance, and biocompatibility. Its use in prosthetics ensures that the limbs can withstand the rigors of daily activities without compromising on safety or comfort. Its exceptional strength-to-weight ratio makes it ideal for load-bearing components, ensuring durability and longevity. This means that users can trust their prosthetics to perform reliably over time, even under strenuous conditions. Silicone and gel liners play a crucial role in ensuring user comfort. These materials are not just about cushioning, they also help in distributing pressure evenly across the residual limb. These soft, pliable materials form a cushioning interface between the residual limb and the prosthetic socket, minimizing pressure points and reducing the risk of skin irritation. This is particularly important for long-term wear, as it helps prevent sores and discomfort. These materials, combined with advanced manufacturing techniques, enable the creation of prosthetic limbs that are both lightweight and incredibly strong, allowing users to move with confidence and comfort. The synergy between material science and engineering has truly transformed the landscape of prosthetic design, making it possible for users to lead active, fulfilling lives. Crafting life-changing devices, the prosthetic manufacturing process. The creation of a prosthetic limb is a meticulous journey that blends artistry, engineering, and a deep understanding of human anatomy and biomechanics. Each step in this process is crucial to ensure the final product is both functional and comfortable for the user. It's a collaborative process involving skilled prosthetists, technicians, and the individual receiving the prosthetic. This teamwork ensures that every aspect of the prosthetic is tailored to the specific needs of the user. The journey begins with an in-depth consultation and assessment. This initial meeting is essential to gather all necessary information about the patient's requirements. The prosthetist works closely with the individual to understand their needs, lifestyle, and aspirations. This personalized approach ensures that the prosthetic will enhance the user's quality of life. This information guides the design and customization of the prosthetic. Every detail is considered to create a device that fits seamlessly into the user's daily routine. Next, a precise impression of the residual limb is created using either a plaster cast or advanced three-dimensional scanning technology. This step is critical for ensuring the prosthetic fits perfectly. This impression serves as the blueprint for crafting a custom-fit socket, ensuring optimal comfort and stability. The socket is the interface between the prosthetic and the body, making its accuracy paramount. Using the impression as a guide, technicians fabricate the socket using a variety of techniques, including molding, lamination, or three-dimensional printing. Each method has its advantages, and the choice depends on the specific needs of the patient. The socket is then carefully shaped and adjusted to ensure a snug, comfortable fit. This step often involves multiple fittings and adjustments to achieve the best possible outcome. Simultaneously, other components of the prosthetic, such as the pylon, joints, and terminal device, are fabricated using a combination of computer-aided design and computer-aided manufacturing technologies. These components are designed to work together seamlessly. Finally, all components are meticulously assembled and rigorously tested to ensure proper alignment, functionality, and durability. This testing phase is crucial to ensure the prosthetic performs well in real-world conditions. The prosthetic is then ready for the crucial fitting stage. During this stage, the prosthetist makes any final adjustments to ensure the prosthetic fits perfectly and functions as intended, providing the user with the best possible experience. Technology at the forefront, enhancing functionality and control.